a hurry, honey, down the avenue. You look so pretty as you were riding along. You look so pretty as you were singing this song. Well, I put on the speed and I tried catching up. You was going harder too. Pedaling your bike like a hurricane, honey, spinning out of view. You look so pretty as you were riding along. You look so pretty as you were singing this song. Sing the song. Round, round, wheels going round, round, round. Down, up, piston, down, up, down. Gotta get across to the roadside crowd before the sun goes down. Hey, hey. Hello, my little flower. What's going my way then? Now I'm riding along on my tractor, honey. A tractor built for two. Sitting up here in the seat beside me. Now we got a better view. You look so pretty as you were riding along. You look so pretty as you were singing this song. Sing the song. Round, round, wheels going round, round, round. Down, up, piston, down, up, down. Gotta get across to the roads and crown before the sun goes down. Hey, hey, hey. Here, people. Wanna see how you drive?
Oh, I start stuck me tractor, she's a 436. I have me chains on the back, I'm going to the streets. I'm chipping along the road at 20 miles an hour. I have me cap just in case there's a heavy shower. I'm chipping back along down the lane. When up behind me comes young Billy Ocean. He's driving the Johnny, I'm sure he's pulling the load. He's coming faster behind me now. So I says, this there'll be no more chipping. I was afraid to see you, John, they would be good. I drops her right here, I'm sure I give her Holly. And the old John, there she wasn't giving Holly. Have you ever seen a tractor getting caught for speed? You should have seen what me speed on a was speed. I looked in the mirror, guess what I saw? A flashing blue light, it's a law. I'm working for a farm, his name is Jimmy Hicks. He wants a few out branches cut into sticks. I says, hey Jim, let me £40. He says, Jill's young brown, and that's sound. After I get caught for speed, you should have seen what me speed on was green. I looked in the mirror, guess what I saw? A flashing blue light, it's a law. So when I was done, Jim was over the moon. He said, look young brown, and I'll see you soon. So I gets in Treventy and I gets her going, and I heard that me out exhaust was blown. So Jim comes out, he says, what's going down? I give you the exhaust of me there rebound. So I'm tipping back along down the Bunratty today, and I'm tripping for just keeping busy. Have you ever seen a tractor getting caught for speed? You should have seen what me speed on my throwing speed. I looked in the mirror, guess what I saw? A flashing blue light, it's a law. So I'm going home, I'm pulling me trailer when I spots a brand new McHale Fusion trailer. I said, begad, I really love that, but compared to Betty, she's a pile of scrap. Have you ever seen a tractor getting caught for speed? You should have seen what me speed on my was read. I looked in the mirror, guess what I saw? A flashing blue light, it's a law.
Do you remember the little grey Ferguson tractor, Johnny?
They were a great little yoke. You start and I join in.
Oh, I am a little Ferguson built so many years ago. I was bought up in Dublin at the RDS Spring Show. I'm a lovely little tractor and I look
Finna in the country of Carlow. And the first man to drive me was Ricky's Uncle Joe. He pushed on his top coat and he jumped upon me said, pull back on the throttle and he flew out through the gate.
Oh, I am a little Ferguson built so many years ago. I was bought up in Dublin at the RDS Spring Show. I'm a lovely little tractor and I look so very cute.
Not like the tractor of today that big ugly drove. All the old lads started laughing and didn't know you see. They said the whole black jackass was far better now than me. But the jackass, he is long since dead, his bones has turned to dust. Here am I freshly painted with near a speck of rose.
Oh, I am a little Ferguson built so many years ago. I was bought up in Dublin at the RDS Spring Show. I'm a lovely little tractor and I look so very cute.
Not like the tractor of today that wears big ugly broom. Oh, where have all the years gone by and aren't here in the shed? Poor old Uncle Joe is inside crippled in the bed. But every September until the man is dead, he'll grab his little walking head and he'll head up for the shed.
Oh, I am a little Ferguson built so many years ago. I was bought up in Dublin at the RDS Spring Show. I'm a lovely little tractor and I look so very cute.
Not like the tractor of today, that great big ugly broom. He'll check me island water, he'll shine and polish me. Then he'll bring me down to Finna for everyone to see. Then put him sitting on me, said he looks so very proud, as he drives me through the steam rally to the cheering of the crowd.
Oh, I am a little Ferguson built so many years ago. I was bought up in Dublin at the RDS Spring Show. I'm a lovely little tractor and I look so very cute.
Not like the tractor of today, that great big ugly blue. Not like the tractor of today, that great big ugly blue.
Down a bumpy road, and in my trailer there's a heavy load. There's a black and white cow going moo moo moo. It's a very busy day. Chug chug clank clank toot. Chug chug clank clank toot. Chug chug clank clank toot. It's a very busy day. Driving my tractor down a bumpy road. In my trailer there's a heavy load, but there are two gray donkeys going ee-aw, ee-aw. It's a very busy day. Chug, chug, clank, clank, toot. Chug, chug, clank, clank, toot. Chug, chug, clank, clank, toot. It's a very busy day. Driving my tractor down a bumpy road, and in my trailer there's a heavy load. There are three pink pigs going oink, oink, oink. It's a very busy day. Chug, chug, clank, clank, toot. Chug, chug, clank, clank, toot. Chug, chug, clank, clank, toot. It's a very busy day. Driving my tractor down a bumpy road, and in my trailer there's a heavy load. There are four white lambs going meh, meh, meh. It's a very busy day. Chug, chug, clank, clank, toot. Chug, chug, clank, clank, toot. Chug, chug, clank, clank, toot, chug,